Every year, across Germany and much of Europe, millions of vehicles quietly roll into TV inspection centers. It is not a glamorous process. There are no marketing claims, no polished advertisements, no dealership promises trying to influence the outcome. A car is lifted, examined, measured, and judged purely on its physical condition. Metal fatigue, brake wear, suspension integrity, steering accuracy, and structural safety are all checked in a system that does not care about brand reputation or how new a vehicle looks. It only cares about one thing: whether the car is still safe enough to be on the road. Over time, this creates something incredibly valuable that most buyers never think about: a massive data-driven reality check on how cars actually age. Not how they are supposed to age, not how they look in brochures, but how they survive real-world use year after year across millions of inspection reports. And when you study this TV data closely, a pattern starts to appear that surprises many people. Some of the simplest Volkswagens, often the ones that are not the most expensive or technologically advanced, consistently outperform expectations in long-term durability. Meanwhile, newer and more complex models sometimes begin to show weaknesses earlier than buyers would assume. The result is a quiet but powerful truth: longevity is not always about luxury or innovation. In many cases, it is about restraint, simplicity, and proven engineering. What makes TV data especially important is that it reflects reality under stress. These are not controlled test environments. These are daily driven cars, used for commuting, family travel, delivery work, highway mileage, and city traffic. When a vehicle reaches 200,000 km or pushes toward 300,000 km, every weak point becomes visible, and that is exactly where certain Volkswagen models continue to stand out. In this breakdown, we are looking at 9 Volkswagen models that TV inspection data consistently favors when it comes to long-term survival. These are not random picks or enthusiast opinions. They are based on repeated inspection patterns that show lower serious defect rates over time. And one thing becomes very clear as we go through them: some of the most unassuming Volkswagens are actually built to last far longer than people expect. The first model is the Volkswagen T-Roc. On paper, it is just a compact SUV, but TV data places it in a surprisingly strong position in its category. In the 2 to 3 year inspection range, the T-Roc shows relatively low serious defect rates compared to many competitors in the same segment. That is significant because compact SUVs usually struggle more than hatchbacks due to higher weight and increased mechanical stress on suspension and braking systems. What TV inspectors typically find in the T-Roc is not structural failure or dangerous drivetrain issues, but smaller, manageable wear items. Things like minor alignment adjustments, light suspension wear, or brake component maintenance. These are normal aging patterns rather than early breakdown signals. That difference matters because it suggests the vehicle is aging in a controlled and predictable way. A major reason behind this performance is the MQB platform, which Volkswagen has refined across millions of vehicles. The T-Roc benefits from shared engineering knowledge, widely tested components, and standardized systems that workshops understand very well. When a car is built on such a foundation, long-term reliability often improves simply because there are fewer unknown weaknesses. Moving on, the Volkswagen Golf Sportsvan is one of those models that rarely gets attention, yet TV data consistently shows strong results in the 4 to 5 year age group. This is the stage where many modern cars begin to show more serious wear in suspension systems, braking performance, and chassis stability. The Sportsvan, however, continues to perform better than the average in its category. The reason is surprisingly simple. It uses Golf-based mechanicals, but with slightly more comfort-oriented tuning and less aggressive stress on components. It is not overloaded with unnecessary complexity, and it avoids pushing its systems to the limit. In TV inspections, that kind of balanced engineering tends to age very well. Most issues reported in this model tend to be routine wear items rather than serious mechanical failures. That includes brake pad replacement, minor suspension components, or small adjustments. What matters is that these do not escalate into structural problems. Over long-term ownership, this pattern is exactly what helps a vehicle approach very high mileage without becoming unreliable. Next is the Volkswagen T-Cross, which performs quite well in early TV inspections, especially in the 2 to 3 year category. This is important because early performance often predicts long-term durability. Vehicles that start with low serious defect rates tend to maintain stability as mileage increases. The T-Cross benefits from being relatively light compared to other SUVs, which reduces stress on key mechanical systems. Less weight means less pressure on suspension joints, wheel bearings, and braking components. It also uses simplified mechanical layouts in many configurations, which reduces the number of potential failure points. Built on the MCB A0 platform, it shares its architecture with smaller Volkswagen models like the Polo. This is a proven foundation that has already accumulated millions of real-world kilometers across global markets. TV trends consistently show that vehicles built on simpler, lighter platforms tend to age more predictably, and the T-Cross fits that pattern closely. The Volkswagen e-Golf presents a different kind of durability story. Instead of combustion complexity, it benefits from mechanical simplicity in its electric drivetrain. TV data shows that in both the 2 to 3 year and 4 to 5 year inspection ranges, the e-Golf performs better than many expect from early generation EVs. One key reason is that it is still fundamentally a Golf underneath. It retains familiar suspension geometry, proven chassis design, and conventional structural engineering that inspectors already understand well. Unlike newer EV platforms that introduce entirely new architectures, the e-Golf keeps things grounded in established Volkswagen engineering. Electric motors also reduce the number of moving parts dramatically compared to combustion engines. There are no oil systems, timing chains, or complex fuel injection systems to fail. As a result, TV inspections tend to highlight fewer serious drivetrain issues. Most findings are minor and related to wear rather than system failure. This combination of proven chassis design and simplified drivetrain structure makes the e-Golf one of Volkswagen's more conservative long-term electric options, especially for buyers who prioritize durability over innovation. The Volkswagen Polo is one of the strongest long-term performers in TV history. Across multiple inspection cycles, especially in the 2 to 3 year and 4 to 5 year ranges, it consistently ranks better than average for its segment. This is especially impressive given how many small cars struggle with early suspension wear and alignment issues. The Polo's strength comes from deliberate simplicity. Many versions use naturally aspirated engines and manual transmissions, which significantly reduce mechanical stress compared to turbocharged or highly complex alternatives. Fewer stressed components mean fewer failure points over time. Its lightweight design also plays a major role. Less mass means reduced wear on brakes, suspension joints, and steering components. These are exactly the areas TV inspectors focus on when evaluating long-term reliability. Another underrated factor is affordability of maintenance. Parts are widely available, repairs are straightforward, and independent workshops are familiar with the platform. This encourages proper upkeep, which directly improves long-term inspection outcomes. Over time, this is one of the biggest reasons the Polo can realistically reach very high mileage. The Volkswagen Touareg represents the opposite end of the spectrum. It is large, heavy, and more complex, yet TV data shows that in the over 10-year category, it maintains respectable results for its class. That alone is noteworthy, because many large SUVs begin to decline sharply at this stage. The Touareg's durability comes from its robust engineering approach. It was designed for long-distance driving and heavy-duty use, not just urban comfort or styling appeal. This means stronger suspension components, reinforced chassis design, and systems built to handle sustained load. While wear-related issues do appear, especially with age, they are typically expected for a vehicle of this size and usage profile. Importantly, they are not disproportionately high compared to competitors in the same category. In real-world terms, the Touareg behaves more like a long-distance endurance vehicle than a lifestyle SUV. With proper maintenance, it can achieve extremely high mileage, and TV data supports that possibility. The Volkswagen Golf hatchback remains one of the most consistent performers across TV inspection categories. In the 4 to 5 year and 6 to 7 year ranges, it typically stays close to or better than the average for its segment. This consistency is one of its most important strengths. Unlike many vehicles that show sharp declines after a certain age, the Golf tends to age gradually. That stability is the result of decades of incremental engineering improvements rather than radical redesigns. Each generation refines the same core platform instead of replacing it entirely. Inspectors consistently find that its suspension systems, braking components, and structural elements remain stable over time. Additionally, because the Golf is offered with a wide variety of engine and drivetrain combinations, buyers can choose simpler configurations that are naturally more durable. This flexibility is a major reason why the Golf continues to be one of the most reliable mass-market vehicles Volkswagen has ever produced. The Volkswagen Tiguan is another SUV that performs better than many of its competitors in TV data, particularly in the 4 to 5 year and 6 to 7 year categories. While SUVs generally struggle as they age due to weight and complexity, the Tiguan manages to remain relatively stable. Its inspection results often resemble those of hatchbacks more than large SUVs, which is unusual. This suggests a more balanced engineering approach that avoids excessive structural stress. Part of this success comes from engine and transmission choices. Simpler petrol and diesel configurations tend to perform better over time, especially when paired with regular maintenance. Fewer complex systems mean fewer inspection failures. Weight management also plays a key role. Compared to larger SUVs, the Tiguan places less strain on key components, which directly improves long-term durability according to TV patterns. Finally, the Volkswagen Caddy represents a different category entirely. As a commercial vehicle, it is built for work rather than comfort or luxury. TV data reflects this reality, showing that while it does experience wear, most issues are predictable and related to usage rather than design flaws. These vehicles are often driven under heavy load, long distances, and frequent stop-start conditions. Despite this, they continue to pass inspections at strong rates, which speaks to their structural resilience. Fleet maintenance is another important factor. Regular servicing schedules and disciplined upkeep significantly improve long-term reliability outcomes. When properly maintained, the Caddy is capable of extremely high mileage, often far beyond typical passenger vehicles. Across all 9 models, one pattern becomes impossible to ignore. Volkswagen's most durable vehicles in TV data are not necessarily the most advanced or expensive. Instead, they are the ones that avoid unnecessary complexity, rely on proven platforms, and prioritize mechanical balance over experimentation. And that is the real lesson hidden in inspection data. Longevity is not about hype or technology for its own sake. It is about engineering that quietly survives millions of kilometers without collapsing under its own complexity.
If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon.